Hey everybody, Gregory Petrosian here. I am the Portland Power BI user group leader, which has now been officially renamed to the Portland Fabric user group, as well as your Portland Power Platform user group leader. It's exciting that we are here today at Providence Park, home of the Portland Timbers, celebrating this new change, as well as what it means for career switchers and citizen developers to start building a community and a network as they're starting to get more comfortable with these new technologies and get to meet others that are as excited about their careers and jobs, and so we can all grow together.
Hello everybody, I'm Tina Gaut, co-host of the Portland Fabric, formerly Power BI, and Power Platform user groups here in Portland, Oregon. One of the great things we've been able to do in bringing people together back in person is host a collaborative space where different communities, different parts of the data world, the AI world, the Microsoft ecosystem can all coexist in one space.
My name is Ron Ellis Gaut. I'm a principal consultant with SkyPoint. I'm also the founder of this particular user group. This community is a real community, and as far as professionals go, it's rather unique in my experience because the fabric of the community is relationships, and this community has been around for a long time. I think we're in six years plus. And so we've got the benefit of long-term relationships. I mean, there are people that joined the community very early on, and they're still part of that community. So that's pretty rewarding.
I am Scott Thompson at Lexicon. Many of you guys know me from the user group meetings. I just wanted to say how grateful I am to be a part of this community. I've watched it grow like crazy over the last probably 5-6 years we've been involved. And Lexicon's just loving being along for the ride. So thanks everyone for coming out, being a part of this community. We love it.
Coming up next year, we're excited to announce Community Days 2024, which is going to be a collaborative experience for people in the data and AI communities here in Portland, Oregon, to get together and learn about the whole ecosystem that is Microsoft.
Really looking forward to seeing y'all at our next in-person event. Our virtual meetups are every month on the second Tuesday for the Portland Power Platform and the fourth Wednesday for the Portland Fabric user groups. So if you want to come and learn with us, or if you want to be in person and network with us, please sign up via Meetup or the Microsoft community page and stay in the know of all the events that we're doing to be able to help you learn more and to grow.